Hey, what's up everybody? Jason at Canyon Adventure Vans. Today we're going to install our new 6-inch bed risers. These are new for us. We always make 10-inch bed risers, but we finally came out with our 6-inch version, which isn't as tall, which means you get a little more length in your bed. We have two different colors. We have the gray and the black. So let's get started. So basically in your Revel, you're going to have 3 screws on top. I've already taken them all out. So once your screws are all out, these 3, all you're going to do is set the new bed riser on here, line it up with those holes, and then what we're going to do is, what you're going to need is, because these bed risers are shorter, there's no way to get a screwdriver in here, so you're going to need a really short screwdriver. Or what I did is I have this little setup here. So first thing I'm going to do is just get them started with my fingers here. It's pretty simple. Just gonna line everything up. And then once these are all finger tight, and then you can come back in with your small little Phillips screwdriver, and then just kind of, I don't want them really touching. I want them close to this edge here, maybe finger distance apart. Okay, so I'm gonna get in here and start tightening these, and then before I crank them all the way down, I want to make sure that they're all nice and lined up. I want this gap to be the same everywhere, so that way when your bed comes down, it's going to clear. Okay, now I just want to check, make sure everything's straightened out pretty good. That looks good. I'm going to come back in and just tighten them all down. Okay, once you get them all tight, everything's in place, nice and sturdy. You have these little brackets right here. I don't know if you can see these. And these are adjustable, so you can kind of level it out. You can slide them, and they go right up against this plastic to keep it level. So what I like to do is just make sure that it's nice and straight here. I don't want them leaning in, and I don't want them leaning out too far. So then I'll take my ratchet. I'll kind of pull. I can see that it needs to be straightened out, so that's probably good right there. And I just tighten that, and see, now this is nice and square off the wall. And I'll do the same thing back here, and you can see why they help. See, this kind of like, it moves, but once you slide these adjustable brackets in, it'll eliminate. And I kind of get them a little tight before I crank them, and kind of adjust it there. And then I'll come back in and then just tighten them down. Okay, so now, same thing. See how that doesn't move? So they're nice and sturdy in there. So that's it. So now we'll go over to the driver's side. Same thing. We'll take these 3 screws out, place your bed riser in there like that. Make sure these are slid out. And you can see here, see how this is, oops, let me put that rubber pad back in there. We put this little rubber piece in there too to protect the wall. But see how this is, I could slide it out as far as I want or bring it back in, okay? All right, so let's line those holes up. You'll take your 3 screws. And I forgot to show you on the other one, you want to use the washers that we supply. So put the washer on there, get that started. So you'll use your 3 screws here, and then you'll just add our washer to it. Again, just get everything started. Okay, now I can come back in here and make sure that my gap, I want it pushed as far that way as I can, that it'll allow me. Make sure this gap is equal. Okay, then I'll go back in and I'll tighten these down. Okay. All right, so now we'll come in here. I'll square this side up first. See, I'm just kind of sliding that out. See, it could be in like that, or we want this pushed out a little bit. Okay. Okay, now that the bed riser in, that is the install. Completely done from here. The next thing you're gonna do is you either have the stock bed cushion, mattress I should say, or you'll have one of our Ultra Lux or our Lux. We also sell it with the 2-inch pads on each side as well, or if you buy one of our mattresses or use your own mattress, you would just use the main mattress up here. So let me go grab those and then I'll show you how to install those. Okay, so these are our optional 2-inch pads that go on here. This is for the passenger side. Basically, it'll have 2 pieces of Velcro. You'll lay this in here. You'll line up your Velcro, put it here, and put it here. You don't have to worry about this Velcro peeling off because you're not taking these off. It's not like you're putting them on, taking them off, etc. All you're going to do is kind of just line it up. What I like to do first is bring the bed all the way down, and then I'll slide these and make it nice and tight so there's no gap between the main mattress and your bolsters. And then I'll push those down and that's good. I'll do the same thing for the driver's side. I'll line this up, figure out where I'm gonna put my Velcro here. Okay, then I'll lay that in here. I'll go lower the bed again. I'll climb in there, and if I have to bring these out a little bit so there's no gap, it touches the main mattress here, then I'll do that. And then that's it on our 2-inch bolsters. If you have your own, you would kind of do the same thing, just lay them in there. Or if you have our Ultra Lux, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to peel this off, you'll line it all up, you'll put the Velcro right on the top here, and then drop this down. And again, once that's in, you'll lower your bed, and if you have to take this and slide it or push it in, you could do that once the bed's in, because now you can gauge the space that you have. But that's it. These things are great for obviously having extra storage. I'm a fly fisherman, so I like to put all my fly fishing rods in here. I'll throw hats in here. Just a lot of loose gear that I would use when I'm outdoors. So a lot of room in here, even more so on the driver's side. It all matches very nice. The 10-inch bed risers allows you to have a mountain bike in here. If you take the front wheel off, you wouldn't be able to do that with here because the bed's too low. But that's it. That's our 6-inch bed risers. If you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel. We're going to continue to come out with all these new aluminum products here in our factory in Utah, and we'll continue to keep putting out great products and great videos for you guys. Thank you.